Good afternoon, madam. Myself Harita. I am from Carb Biochemistry. Today my seminar topic is about digestion of carbohydrates. The word digestion indicates the breakdown of the larger molecules into the assimilating molecules or larger molecules into the smaller molecules. And these smaller molecules is gonna be absorbed into the circulatory system of the living organism. So, digestion of the carbohydrates will indicate the digestion of the carbohydrates or breaking down of the carbohydrates into its monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. And here, in order to break down the carbohydrates, first our food which we have taken in the diet will be break down into starch. At the buccal cavity. The digestion of the carbohydrates will start from the buccal cavity itself to the large intestine. In the buccal cavity, due to the presence of salivary amylase enzyme, the carbohydrates will break down into the starch by the action of amylase, alpha amylase namely, and later the half digested food from the buccal cavity travel through the esophagus into the stomach. At stomach, the HCl, which is called as hydrochloric acid, will act upon the undigested food present in the stomach. No digestion of the carbohydrates will gonna take place in the stomach. Later, the food which is present in the stomach will enter into the small intestine. At small intestine, the pancreatic juice and the intestinal juices will act upon the carbohydrates and break down them into the monosaccharides and disaccharides. Maltase enzyme, sucrase enzyme, galactase enzyme. These enzymes will act upon the carbohydrates and produce glucose, fructose, sucrose. So, in order to break down of the carbohydrates, these carbohydrates will be divided into three categories, from belonging to the first category of monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are also called as glucose molecules. Glucose and fructose will produced by the maltose by the action of maltase enzyme. So, from the small intestine, the undigested and the remaining carbohydrates will gonna be differentiated or divided into and absorbed in the form of polysaccharides, monosaccharides and disaccharides at the large intestine itself. Later, any remainings of the carbohydrate metabolism or the carbohydrates compounds, it will be digested and absorbed at the rectum itself. Thank you for the opportunity.